Hey, John Lahey from the Fine Living Group here, and welcome to our video on the biggest mistakes agents make when speaking to Zillow leads and how you can avoid it. If you're struggling to close Zillow leads, you're not alone. In fact, many agents make this same mistake and it can cost them the sale. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you the 5 proven strategies to close Zillow leads. Instead, you're going to want to stay till the end. I will share with you 2 additional tips that will help you double your production this year at the end of this video. So let's get started. Strategy number 1. Give them what they want. The biggest mistake we hear agents make when they're speaking to a Zillow lead is they start overqualifying these buyer leads. Most buyers don't wake up one morning wondering if they can afford a new home. Buyers typically want homes. They want to know details about a home, what it looks like inside, what it feels like, the flow, and so on. Whether they can afford it or not, that's usually not at the top of their thought process. Here's the powerful question to ask these buyers point blank. When would you like to see that home? Give them what they want first and then qualify them instead of qualifying them before giving them what they want. Strategy 2. Build rapport. The second strategy to close Zillow leads is to build rapport with them. It's important to establish a connection and build trust with your potential client. You can do this by asking open-ended questions and actively listening to their needs and wants. Strategy number 3, respond quickly. The third strategy is to respond quickly to Zillow leads. Study shows that the faster you respond to a lead, the more likely you are to close the sale. So make sure to check your Zillow leads often and respond to them promptly. Strategy number 4. Provide value. The fourth strategy is to provide value to your potential clients. Show them that you're an expert in the real estate market and provide them with valuable information that can help them make an informed decision. Strategy number 5, follow up. The 5th strategy is to follow up with your Zillow leads. Many agents make the mistake of not following up, which can cause them to lose the sale. So make sure to follow up with your leads regularly and stay top of mind. Here's the bonus. Be persistent. The bonus and the final strategy is to be persistent. Don't give up on a lead after just one try. Keep following up with them and showing them why you're the best agent for the job. Here's an interesting stat. It takes 12 to 14 touches to get a closing. Majority of agents will stop after 1 or 2 tries. Are you like the majority, or will you be the few that thrives? Go to johnlahey.com and send me a message there or book a time to talk to me. I'd love to spend time to show you how to get access to more qualified leads and close more deals. And there you have it. 5 proven strategies to close Zillow leads and avoid the biggest mistake agents make. Remember, building rapport, responding quickly, providing value, following up, being persistent, and give them what they want can make all the difference in closing a sale. So start implementing these strategies today and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable real estate tips and tricks.